raining. Cool. So let's see now if there's any difference with these two cameras. Super night mode on both Action 5 Pro and Action 6. Variable aperture is f2 on the Action 6 and manual settings on the Action 5 Pro. And the time is 7:03, which is perfect. Let's do a walk and test these two cameras. I know I already did a video, but the Action 6 now can shoot in 8K. We're gonna try that now in a second and see the difference. I'm using the DJI Mic Mini, which is probably one of the best microphones to buy. Not sponsored by DJI, and I don't think DJI will ever send me a product because I'm super transparent with their products. DJI don't like that. They don't like the truth to be told. But if you spend 350 pounds, $400, yeah, you expect your gear to work properly. So yeah, this is a test. Super night mode on both cameras. Let's see which camera you'll prefer. Again, the variable aperture, I don't know if this will make any difference. Also, I'm gonna try the variable aperture in f2.8 and f4, see if there's any difference. But now this is f2, which is for low light performance. And I'll test that when I do the editing process, because the screens are too small, so it's really hard to say which camera looks better. Obviously the Action 6 looks a little bit more brighter, which that's normal. So let's see. And the screen is off. So we're shooting nearly 5 minutes already. Yeah, the Action 5 looks a little bit dimmer. And make sure to watch the video, because it's good to try different perspective. So as you can see now, this scenario here under the bridge, and we have a lot of lights. See if there's any difference with the light. Oh, the lenses get wet, which this is not great, but it's completely fine because it's waterproof. Okay, so what do you think? Another car is approaching. So What just happened? Huh. Ah, yeah, the screen is off. Try to make the camera so... Yeah, Action 6, Action 5 Pro, low light performance. What do you think? Let me move the camera this way. Do we have a more light? Yeah, it's raining but actually it's very pleasant to be outside at 7:08. What do you think? Let's move the camera this way now. So, any difference? Obviously I'm gonna check that in post. The Action 6 looks much brighter than the Action 5. And the train is approaching. This is what I called perfect timing. So the reason I'm doing this test is because I'm planning to send back the DJI Action 6. I was using the Action 6 for the past 2 months and the Action 5 Pro. So I'm super happy with the Action 6, but after 2 months, yeah. But watch my full review. After 2 months, you'll know why exactly I'm sending the Action 6 back. So yeah, let's continue now. Another car is approaching, which is perfect. I can see some flickering on the Action 6. Obviously Action 5 Pro is a little bit more darker. Another train is approaching. Perfect timing. Let's go back. This is a perfect scenario. As you can see on the left side we have a light bouncing from the lights. Yeah, it's raining, very pleasant, which is nice. I like it. Yeah, under the lamppost. Any difference? Interesting.